It had been quite a while since I've uploaded any RC car videos, guys. So this time we have our Porsche. Yes, the famous drift Porsche right here. Speciality of this car, that's four-wheel drive, guys. I'm not faking it. It's really four-wheel drive. And if you want the purchase link of this car, check out the description. But don't just go yet. Let's first test the car. And this time I'm gonna tune this car with ball caps. Okay guys, yeah, ball caps. I'm just gonna fix the ball caps instead of the actual drift wheels for this car. So let's check out how this car performs with ball caps instead of wheels. But first things first, you gotta subscribe to the channel, guys. Yes, this is Daman.s right here, DCS, so hit that subscribe button right now. Alright, let's first test the car with the normal drift wheels it came with. Okay, so here goes nothing, and yes, at first, okay, this is pretty good. It's drifting pretty well. I can almost control the car, but there's a lot of spinouts whenever I try to turn it. Yeah, it's spinning out again. Right. Okay, so that was a pretty good one. Yes, that was actually a pretty nice one, guys. Oops, yeah, banged right there. Okay, bring it in reverse, and again, that is really a good drift. Yes, now it's doing pretty well. Oops, I hit that place again. Looks like my skills are becoming rusty. Well, yeah, it's actually doing pretty good with the stock wheels, guys, but it's time to modify right now. So let's check out how it does with the wheel caps, obviously. So here we go. So now let's try it without the stock wheels. Let's put some wheel caps on this. So first let's remove this thing. Alright. And the wheel just came off, right? As we have got the wheels out, now it's time to install the wheel caps, guys. Yes, caps like this. Right. Let's poke some holes in this. Okay, it's pretty hard. Yes, like that. These kind of holes should be enough, guys. And there, guys, that's the final one. Chose the smaller caps for the front tires because they actually have to turn, so bigger ones will just block them. So yeah, that's why I choose smaller ones at the front and larger ones at the back, guys. Yes, so that should work. Now it's time to fix them on the car, guys. So now let's fix our first wheel. Right here goes nothing. It's quite shaky right there. Alright, there it is set, guys. Yes, our first wheel, yeah, it looks really ridiculous, but still, we gotta put them all on and then let's see how it looks. So this is how the car looks, guys, after the wheel caps. Okay, this looks pretty hilarious, but let's give it a shot. I also added some double-sided sticker tape because actually the wheels were not touching the ground. The front tires weren't touching the ground. That's why, guys. So and go. All right. No, it's not coming in reverse. It's just moving forward. Not coming in reverse. Again, just forward, turning. It's pretty hard, guys. I'm unable to control the car. Man, no, I don't think this is a really good idea. Looks like the wheels are blocking. Oh well.
1 hour later.
So let's try it with the stock front tires and rear wheel caps. Okay, it's doing... Oh, that was a close one. Right, a lot of spinouts. Yes, the professional of spinouts. Yeah, it's not so good, guys. Well, the handling is pretty hard and there's a lot of... well, what to say. Oops, bang right there. Okay, reverse. And spin out. I'm the king of spin outs in this. Ow. Okay, so that hurt my toe. No, this is... No, it's not working, guys. Looks like this ain't gonna be good. Yeah, it has a lot of spin out. It's the king of spin outs. Okay, I understand. Okay, reverse right there. Front lights. That's a lot of battery wasted. Okay, let's just end this thing. Well, there we end up with the modifications, guys. So yeah, at first with the wheel caps, yes, it did not work so well, and the car couldn't even move or make a drift. That was really awful. And yes, next came without the front wheels. Like I just put the stock front wheels, and then it just worked okay-ish. Like it wasn't drifting, but yeah. But guys, trust me, the wheel caps aren't an option. So yeah, let's just move on with the stock ones, guys. Yeah, stock ones are actually best for RC cars. So that concludes the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more of my videos, and also subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button if you like this video. Okay, so follow me on Instagram and Facebook too, guys. Like, yeah, just do it. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.